Guys, what up? Guys, what up? And I gotta be quiet. Guess what, guys? Jigsaw is actually in my house. If you haven't seen the other video of Jigsaw, links in down below. It is 3 a.m. right now, and oh my god, guys! He's right outside my door. Guys, that was so close, guys. Oh my god, that was so close. Guys, please give me 10,000 likes, because I think I'm about to get killed. Smash that subscribe button. Click the bell. Well, this is going to be a short video. Links in down below. Go check my other video out of Jigsaw. So, guys, I'm actually going. Guys, I'll turn the light on. Look. So, guys, I'm going to cuff him. Yeah, guys, I am going to cuff him in a chair. And, guys, bye-bye. Please, guys. This is all I need. 10,000 likes. Hit that subscribe button and hit that bell, please. Give me all the luck we can get. Please. Bye.